painting. We are in a Shilparamam. This consists of the tickets will be consist of children for children 20 rupees and for adults 60 rupees. See, this is charial painting. This is Osa house. See, look at here how village people are doing to live themselves and doing so much hard work. This is a full of. Look here, Osa house. This is the biggest one, village bazaar. See, one boy was sick and there is a parrot. Look inside. There is some weaving pots. Look, there is some making toys, kundalu, some vegetables, cabbage, onion, cucumber. Here, potatoes, onions, eggplant, potatoes, again potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers. Look here, so many vegetables. Oh, there are mega statues. Look, another statue making some more statues, more and more. Look here, but the warning. Please don't touch the dolls. That's a warning for us. Look, here tribal lifestyle. So now we are going inside. Look here to one mom and daughter, a cow. And what is that? I don't know. I think it's a music players. Now we are going. This is tribal lifestyle. Oops, tribal life. See, this is the tribal lifestyle. Now we are stepping in. Look here, it's really quiet. And look, there's a poultry over here. What is this? Mom, what's this? Look here. I think you need to get the answer. And then tablas. Look here. Oh, something so quiet. See, so many pots. Tablas. Some strings are here. And look here, some are making sticks for, oops, the sticks for tatas. Look, there's someone is there. Someone, another pottery making. Look here. Look, another pottery making. And tablas, some tools for prepare it. Look, and there are bananas. Look, some parts of body. And look, some diyas she's making. And look, another baskets that are made with strings. Look, wait. And the pottery again. Oh, wait. Look here. Something is making the biggest pot in the world I never seen. And somebody's doing something, cleaning or anything. Some things that are made with strings. That's it. We are going. Somebody is taking out some wood and some more. Those are things that are made with string. Now we are stepping in out. Look here. A bird's parrots and some shilpas. Now we are stepping in out. Look here, some shilpas they were making. Some teeny tiny shilpas. Some big and giant shilpas. And some queen and kings. And look here. She was drawing some designs. And look, there were Shiva Parvati. Look, there were house. They were pulling water and look! Aw, the poor woman and her baby is doing hard work and taking all the cabbages hardly. Look here. It's a show. It is a show, see? We can stand behind and click a photo on it. Look. Look inside. So many pots and doing huge giant potteries. 2 people are there. And one more. I think the others came and they're making white pottery. Potter shells. Grain cleaning and grinding. So they were, see? One woman was taking out the insects from the grain and grinding the grain. Look here. Look, it's a funny one. A grandpa was reading one newspaper and look, those 2 kids were playing.